My name's Benjamin. Welcome to my video. Today we're making mini corn dog balls. They're really really yummy. And we're gonna use these makers Mommy has. Today we're making mini corn dogs. When you see the shapes, they're both what we're gonna make today. So they're really yummy, and it's National Corn Dog Day.
All right, you guys, Benjamin ran off, but today is National Corn Dog Day, and my kids love corn dogs. So we're gonna make a couple different kinds. Benjamin ran off to go have a snack. I told him we're making all these corn dogs. He can eat the corn dogs, but he had to go have an apple. Anyways, I'm gonna get these started, but it's National Corn Dog Day, so we definitely wanted to celebrate. And we're gonna make a couple different kinds because I have this awesome, you guys have seen it around my channel, the boys use it all the time, this mini corn dog maker that I got on Amazon. And then I also have a little baby cakes cake pop maker, and we've already turned these on, so they're a little bit hot. And it's gonna make little tiny corn dog balls. So a couple different types of corn dogs to celebrate National Corn Dog Day. Benjamin's gonna jump back in here in a second and help me make them. But we're gonna use Jiffy cornbread mix. And then we just have regular hot dogs. And we'll mix it up. We will make these. We'll do a little National Corn Dog Day celebration, and they'll be awesome. So I'll get Benjamin back in here and we'll make these up.
A bunch of...
You get it out? Okay.
Mommy, now get it out.
Okay. Crack the egg and then the milk, and then we'll mix it.
Oh my Molly. I'm back. 1, 2, 3. Chicken! Yeah. Like squeezing orange juice. We're gonna get this all mixed and ready to go. Okay, after this is all stirred, we're gonna get the hot dogs for the mixers. Okay. Okay. When we're all done, we'll get these all ready. And then we'll be ready to go. Now we're all done. Now they're ready for the corn dog maker. All right, these are gonna cook now.
All right, so we have our baby cakes maker. So this is for cake pops, but we love to use it for little corn dog balls and sausage pancake bites, don't we? You're so goofy. So we're gonna put a little bit of our batter in first. Do you wanna put the batter in first, or are you gonna put the... close this up and let these cook. All right, so the little corn dog balls, we're just gonna pop them out. And then we're gonna trim off the sides to make them look a little bit prettier because we definitely got the batter going all over the place. But these are so fun. Definitely so festive for National Corn Dog Day. And I love these little makers. I will link both of them in the description box, the little mini corn dog maker and my baby cakes maker. These are so fun, especially with the kids. So I'm just tearing off the sides a little bit to make it nice and round, but these are so cute. And then the hot dog's in the middle, so they're like a little corn dog ball. Don't you love these?
Yes.
Yeah.
I love them with syrup in the mornings.
Syrup? You mean ketchup?
No syrup. These pancake balls are super yummy. See, they're round because they're called pancake balls.
They're corn dogs, buddy. They're corn
So
dogs.
they're corn dogs.
Guys, thanks for watching our video with Benjamin. We have our mini corn dogs and our mini corn dog balls to celebrate National Corn Dog Day. The boys are so excited. Benjamin's holding the camera right now for me, so it might be a little bit shaky. But thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun cooking with kids videos and lots of meal prepping as well on my side. Hope you guys have a really great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for my meal prep that I'm gonna do. You guys will love it. So I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one.
National Corn Dog Day. Subscribe to our channel.